Hey guys, welcome. It's Trevor from Don White's Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, located in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Right here, I've got the 2024 Wagoneer S. It has 600 horsepower and it's all-wheel drive, so it's a very fast vehicle. Here, you've got the LED lights, you got the smooth finish, and there's an LED light bar that illuminates at night. Underneath here, you've got a frunk. Got beautiful Boss 20-inch rims, blacked out gloss. This car is beautiful. Up here, you've got a gigantic wing. You've got a gigantic wing, and you even have a spoiler. Back here, you've got tons of space. You've got the illuminating lighting. Back here, you've got heated seats. Up front, you've got ventilated, heated, and massaging. It is beautiful. Look at that. You've got a hidden screen that comes down. You've got a interactive passenger display, which is privacy, so the driver can't see it at night. And you've got the illuminating lighting all the way around, so it's ambient.
This is DRN, the Don White Radio Network. Here at Don White's Chrysler Dodge Jeep.
This is an incredible vehicle. You've got the rear digital display. Very smooth, soft, and supple leather seats. Got the metal gear shifter. This is incredible. Tons of space. Got a wireless charger right there for your cell phone. Over 20 different configurations. Massaging seats is one of my favorite ones. Here, we're going to open up the tailgate. Oh.